AI is everywhere. From your phone's voice assistant to self-driving cars, recommendation algorithms, and more. But have you ever stopped to wonder how it all actually works? Today, we're breaking down artificial intelligence in simple, clear language. No hype, no confusing jargon. Let's dive in. What is AI? Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to machines designed to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. These tasks include understanding language, recognizing images, making decisions, and learning from experience. When you ask Siri a question or get a Netflix recommendation, that's AI in action. AI isn't one single technology. It's a collection of systems and techniques that mimic aspects of human thinking. Traditional programming versus AI. In traditional programming, humans write specific rules. If X happens, do Y. Every scenario must be coded in advance. AI flips that script. With machine learning, we feed the machine tons of data and let it discover patterns itself. Instead of telling it what to do, it figures out what to do from the data. This makes AI adaptable. It can improve without being reprogrammed. Machine learning at the core of AI is something called machine learning. Think of it like teaching by example. Show it thousands of cat and non-cat images, and it learns to spot the difference. It doesn't memorize. It recognizes patterns. The more data it gets, the better it gets at making predictions. That's what makes machine learning so powerful. Neural networks are a special kind of machine learning. They're inspired by the structure of the human brain. Imagine layers of digital neurons working together. Each layer processes information and passes it along, refining the system's understanding. Neural networks are used in speech recognition, translation, image generation, even in ChatGPT. They're the backbone of advanced AI. Real-world examples, chances are you're using AI every day. Netflix recommendations, AI, spam filters in your email. AI, talking to Siri or Alexa. That's natural language processing. Another branch of AI. Self-driving cars. They rely on AI to process sensors and make split-second decisions. AI is everywhere, quietly working behind the scenes. Strengths and limitations. AI has some serious strengths. It can analyze massive data sets with speed and accuracy. It doesn't get tired, it doesn't get emotional. But it's not perfect. It doesn't understand context. It lacks common sense. It depends on the data it's trained on, and that data can be biased or flawed. AI can be incredibly smart, but also strangely dumb. The future of AI looking ahead. AI could transform industries like medicine, transportation, education, and robotics. But big questions remain. What happens to jobs? How do we prevent misuse? Who's responsible when AI gets it wrong? The future of AI is powerful, but we must shape it carefully. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit like and subscribe to TechPulse TV. We make tech simple, clear, and interesting. Up next, a plain English explicable on quantum computing and why it could change everything. See you there.